Good morning. My name is Dave from Solvent Printer Conversion, soon to be solventprinterguys.com. We're working on a new website right now. And today is February 15th, 2017, and I am here with a Roland SP540V VersaCamm. This is a 54-inch printer cutter. It's probably one of our most requested models. And it's one that when we get it into our customers' hands that we probably hear the best feedback about because they have the least problems and just they're able to get a lot of good output out of them. So this model came to us from a local sign shop here in Ohio, and it was very well maintained. Since we brought it into our shop here, we have installed 2 new print heads, 2 new cap tops, 4 new dampers, 2 new wipers, a new scraper, a new pump, new ink lines, a new encoder strip, sensor, a new trailing cable for the cut carriage, and then we've done all the cuts, print and cut, and printing calibrations with it. It is printing really well. It has an excellent test pattern. And everything is working just as it should with this machine, so I'm very pleased with it. I would expect that you'd get many years of service out of this printer. One of the things we like about this printer relative to some of the other printers that we work with is that this machine delivers 54-inch print and cut capabilities with our EcoSolvent inks, but only does it with 2 print heads, which means that if you need to replace parts, there's fewer parts to replace in here, which is just handy because it can get very expensive to replace 6 print heads down the road in a 6 print head machine, but in a 2 print head machine it's much easier to take care of. So this is a solid machine. This one is a little bit higher mileage than some that we see. It has, I believe, about 4,800 print hours on it, but as I mentioned, it was from a local shop. They maintained it meticulously. They were the only owner, and they often had the dealer come in for service, things like that. I feel quite confident that we have taken care of the potential problem areas. A lot of those parts that I mentioned were not ones that had to be replaced, but they're ones that we chose to replace because we saw, hey, this is a wear part, this is sometimes a problem. Let's fix it now so it's less of a problem for you. So this machine, as you can see right now, it's doing some printing. Shortly, it's going to take a break and do some contour cutting. This is running in a standard print mode on these. There's generally a high quality, a standard, and a high speed. And so this is a solid machine. I'd really like for this to go to a good home and help somebody's business grow. And we can get this shipped out either later this week or early next week to the right buyer. So let's take a look at this and see. Now, if you're looking at, while we're waiting for this to come around to the cutting part, this can do, it can print on wrap vinyl, it can print on all kinds of banners, it can print on wall graphic material, you can make yard signs with it. There's pretty much all kinds of stuff that you can do. And because it's a 54-inch machine that'll print approximately 52 inches of that 54, you can easily do finished 4-foot banners with it and all that stuff. So basically, you've got a lot of options. Sometimes people end up looking at narrower machines, a 30-inch machine or something, but it ends up being very limiting unless you have a very specific market for that. So also available with this machine is a take-up reel. If you're interested in that, it can help if you're doing longer runs of things. It is an option that we have available for this machine that might be good for you. Right now, this is doing a little feed for dry sequence here, where it's just going to make sure that this is dry as it's coming out over this warm heater. Now, unlike some of our older machines, the heaters in this machine are built in at the factory. This machine has always been an EcoSolvent printer, and now is retrofitted with our own EcoSolvent inks. And so this is running our, what we call our Better Banner EcoSolvent inks, which is a refillable bulk system. Ends up being about half the cost of Roland. We've been running this ink formula for 5+ years now, and we've been very pleased with it. We've got it in well over 100 printers coast to coast, and it's been received very well. And we have a lot of customers who just keep coming back for it because it works very well, and it has very, very similar properties to Roland ink. I know every ink manufacturer says that, but as we did a lot of shopping around for a supplier for our ink, this is the one that we settled on because our ink manufacturer does it right. And so that's something that we've been very pleased with and is included with this. Let's see, this is almost done. Just doing a little more contour cutting here. And let's see. Oh, it's almost done, but not quite. There we go. So you can see, at least from that distance here, that we've got nice clean print quality. And there's our sheet cut. Let's see if I have the pressure set right for weeding these off. Oh, just about. Looks like I went a little light on the pressure, but it's still coming off nicely, so a little bit of a nudge. So you can see right there, it prints, it cuts, and if I had set the pressure just a little bit more, it would have popped right through. So that's what we're looking at today. If this is something that you're interested in, I ask that you please get in touch with me quickly, because I only have one of these printers, and I'm not in the hard sells or any of that business, but if I had 2 or 3, it'd be easier to spread them around. There's only one, so I'd like to get it out of here. I'd like to get it into somebody's hands so they can use it. And it's in excellent shape. Preventive maintenance all been done. I can even work on throwing in a kit of the parts that you're going to need in the next year to keep it up and running and all that. So please give me a call, 330-556-5485, or email me, dave@solventprinterconversion.com. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.